Cheryl, and welcome back to another Confidence Edit. We're gonna do a little shopping together. Since I've been appearing on QVC, I've had a chance to watch a lot of shows. We thought it would be fun to do a little QVC haul today and my recommendations for what I'm picking up from QVC. Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean Toothbrush. First of all, it has to be diamond clean. The way that I got turned on to this product, and I'm so happy to find it at QVC, was actually through a friend of mine. She was having some dental issues and her dentist had recommended this specific toothbrush. And he was very specific. He said it has to be the diamond clean. And he was optimistic, but he wasn't guaranteeing anything. The next dental appointment, her dentist was astounded by the progress that she made. He said that she literally had like a different set of teeth. Ever since then, she swears by this toothbrush. She recommends it to everyone. It's a little bit pricey, but definitely worth the investment of clean and healthy teeth. Highly, highly recommend. Le Creuset Oval Baker. This is a kind of like splurge item for me, but I feel like, again, a very good investment piece. I remember the first time I went on QVC, I was on this sort of like living room set, and then adjacent to the living room set was the kitchen set. They literally had all these Le Creuset pieces set up for, I guess, like an upcoming cooking segment that they were doing. What I love about this one is it comes in so many gorgeous colors. They're just beautiful cookware. They last a really long time. So for me, this is definitely part of the haul. The Charisma bathrobe. For my friends who are watching, who know me, they know that I literally live in a robe. It's actually pretty hard to find like a good bathrobe, I feel like. What I love about this one is that it comes in like really beautiful green sage color. The price is just right. And yeah, what can I say? I'm a robe girly. Next on my haul is an iRobot Roomba. It's a little bit of a pricier item, but let me tell you, I bought one of these for my mom as a gift, and she literally uses it every day. It goes off on its own. You don't have to worry about it. It's just like great for like basic upkeep. I don't know if it replaces like giving like a deep clean yourself every so often, but for upkeep of a home, I love this product. This one actually also has a mop function, which just takes it to another level. If you are into keeping your home clean and tidy, this product helps a lot. The Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil is really, I think, the best sulfate-free shampoo out there on the market right now. This product was actually recommended to me by a hairdresser that was giving me a hair treatment that I needed to then follow up with a sulfate-free shampoo. I had never really like paid attention to that before for my hair care. I looked at it like more for like skincare and things like that. It's hard to find a good sulfate-free shampoo because the sulfates really help to give you like a clean feel. But again, if you want to extenuate or extend the life of a hair treatment, or if you just want to avoid sulfates in general, which most of us do nowadays, this was going back a long time ago. Bumble and Bumble's Invisible Oil line is just probably one of the best that you can consider. Again, it's like a pricier item at $37 for a shampoo, but it really matters what products you use, and I recommend this one. Dermelect Transform and Renew Nail Treatment Kit. This was a special kit that we curated for QVC in January of this year, really to target and address winter dryness, weak brittle nails, flaky, chapped, dry hands. It is literally a one-step manicure that you have here with the Makeover and the Luminous. Makeover is a 2-time award winner for Best Nail Product at QVC in their Customer Choice Beauty Awards. So we had to have it in the kit. And then you have Timeless as your second step. That really works to create hydration, long-lasting hydration in the hands. It's so hard to maintain that, especially during these winter months. Your skin is just literally zapped of moisture. This literally locks in the hydration. Water reactivated, it targets wrinkles on the back of the hands and discoloration, sunspots on the back of the hands. I mean, it's just a comprehensive, beautiful treatment that's a pleasure to use. We went on air with this in January to rave reviews. We're so happy it's resonated with you guys, and that's what we're continuing to do, just providing you with solution skin and nail care for all seasons. That was my QVC haul. It was really difficult actually to narrow it down to 6 things. If you would like to see more of my recs, we can do a part 2. Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.